This topic is very important in the field of engineering, the Laplace transformation. This is the method which helps in solving the differential equations with boundary values without finding the general solution and values of arbitrary constants. You know, the solution of differential equations is very important in the field of engineering and mathematics. So, this Laplace transformations helps us to find the solution of the differential equations so easily. Now, the definition of Laplace transformation is that let f of t be a function defined for all positive values of t, then f of s equal to integral from 0 to infinity e to the minus st f of t into dt, provided the integral exists, is called Laplace transformation of the function f of t. This is the main formula to find a Laplace transformation. This is the function f of t. Now, we use this f of t in this place and then integral between the limit from 0 to infinity. The value of this integral gives the Laplace transformation. The Laplace transformation is noted by the symbol L of f of t. This is a symbol for Laplace transformation. There is a Laplace of f of t equal to f of s, and this is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e minus st f of t into dt. Now, the important formula for the Laplace transformation number 1, Laplace of 1 equal to 1 by s. This is the formula of Laplace of 1 equal to 1 by s. And number 2, Laplace of t to the n equal to n factorial divided by sn plus 1, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. And number 3, Laplace of EAT equal to 1 by s minus a. And number 4, Laplace of cos hyperbolic AT equal to s over s square minus a square. And number 5 formula, Laplace of sin hyperbolic AT equal to a over s square minus a square. And number 6, Laplace of sin AT equal to a over s square plus a square. And number 7 formula, Laplace of cos AT equal to s over s square plus a square. And number 8, Laplace of EAT cos omega t equal to s minus a over s minus a square plus omega square. These are formulas which help us in finding the Laplace transformation of different functions. And formula number 9, Laplace of EAT is sin omega t equals to omega over s minus a square plus omega square. Now, we use exercise how we find Laplace of 1. This is 1 by s. The proof of Laplace 1 equal to 1 by s, to show that Laplace 1 equal to 1 by s. This is f of t. The value of f of t is 1. This is the main formula for Laplace transformation. You see, in place of f of t, we put 1. Here we put 1. Also here we put 1. F of t equal to 1. Laplace of 1 equal to 0 to infinity e minus st. In f of t, we put 1 into dt. This become e minus st. And by using simple integration of this function e minus st equal to e minus st over minus s integral from 0 to infinity. This is minus 1 by s. We can write this as 1 over e st, and again we are applying the limit. In place of t, we use infinity, and this become 1 by e to the infinity. And in place of t, we put 0. This become 1 over e to the power 0. And this become 1 by infinity equal to 0. And this e 0 is 1, so 1 by 1 equal to 1. And this whole term become 1 over s. This is the proof of Laplace 1 is equal to 1 by s. This is a very simple proof. We use this formula to find the Laplace of 1, that is 1 by s. Now, question number 2. Show that Laplace of t equal to n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So, you see Laplace of Tn, in place of f of t we use Tn. So this become e minus st Tn into dt. To evaluate this integral, we use the substitution. We put st equal to x. The value of t equal to x over s and dt equal to dx over ds. So in ST, in place of ST we put x. So here in place of ST we put x, and in place of t equal to x over x. So this become x over s to the n, and in place of dt we use dx over s. Now after simplification, this is constant term, s to the n into s become s n plus 1. This is outside the integral because this is the constant term. Integral from 0 to infinity, this will become e minus x, and this is x to the n into dx. Now we use this formula. This is the formula for gamma function. This is read as gamma n plus 1. This is equal to 0 to infinity e minus x xn into dx. So this gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial. Here, this is the formula for gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial. So we put here n factorial. So this integral become n factorial. So this integral equal to n factorial. By using this formula, this become n factorial, and this is 1 over Sn plus 1, and this completes the proof of Laplace of Tn equal to n factorial divided by Sn plus 1. Now question 3 show that Laplace of E_at equal to 1 over s minus a, where s is greater than a. So this is the formula for Laplace of f of t. So we put in place of f of t e to the at. So here in this place we put e to the at, and this become integral from 0 to infinity e to the minus s minus at into dt. Now we take this integration of this function. The integration of this term equal to e minus into s minus a t over minus into s minus a under the limit from 0 to infinity. So we can write this as minus 1 by s minus a, and this term can be written as 1 over e to the s minus a into t integral from 0 to infinity. Now we are applying the limit. In place of t we put infinity. So this become 1 over e to the power infinity. And when we put here 0, this will become 1 over e to the power 0. This become infinity, 1 by infinity becomes 0, and e0 is 1, so 1 by 1 equal to 1. So this whole term become 1 over s minus a. This completes the proof of Laplace of E_at equal to 1 over. Now question 4 show that Laplace of cos hyperbolic at equal to s over s square minus a square. We prove this formula. Laplace of cos hyperbolic at, this is Laplace of E_at plus e minus at over 2 by using the formula of cos hyperbolic at. Now we are separating the Laplace. This can be written as 1 by 2 Laplace of E_at because 1 by 2 is constant. It is taken out of the Laplace function, plus 1 by 2 Laplace of e minus at, and by using the Laplace formula, Laplace of E_at equal to 1 over s minus a, and Laplace of e minus at become 1 over s plus a, and after simplification this term become s over s square minus a square, and this completes the proof. Now question 5, Laplace of sine hyperbolic at equal to s over a over s square minus a square. Again by using the formula of sine hyperbolic at. This is formula of sine hyperbolic at. We separate the Laplace and applying the formula, same formula as we use in this place as we use in this place. So these two term becomes, this is equal to 1 by 2, 1 over s minus a minus 1 by 2 s plus a, and after simplification this become Laplace of sine hyperbolic at equal to a over s square minus a square. Now again we use the question number 6 as show that Laplace of sine at equal to a over s square minus s square plus a square. Now Laplace of sine at equal to Laplace of, this is the formula for sine at, e iota at minus e minus iota at over 2 iota. We take 1 by 2 iota outside the Laplace and separating the Laplace of these two terms, and again using the formula Laplace of e to the at equal to 1 over s minus iota a, and in this place this is written as minus 1 by 2 iota 1 over s plus iota, and after simplification we have a over s square plus a square. This completes the proof of Laplace of sine at. Now question 7 show that Laplace of cos at equal to s over s square plus a square. So Again we use the formula Laplace of cos at equal to e iota at plus e minus at over 2. This is the formula of the cos at. Again we separate the two terms taking the Laplace of e iota at and plus Laplace of e minus iota at in this way. So we can write again using the formula. We have 1 by 2 1 over s minus iota a plus 1 by 2 s plus iota and after simplification this becomes s over s square plus a square, and this completes the proof of Laplace of cos at over is equal to s over s square plus a square. Now question 8, important question. Find the Laplace transformation of the function defined by f of t equal to t over k where t less than k and greater than 0, and this is equal to 1 when t greater than k. These are the conditions on this function. So we use this formula Laplace of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e minus st f of t into dt. So we separate the limits 0 to infinity in two parts, as we can write 0 to infinity as we break up this integral into two parts, 0 to k and k to infinity. These are the two parts of this integration from 0 to infinity. Now evaluate the first part. This constant term k, this can taken outside the integral 1 by k e minus st into dt plus k to infinity e minus st dt integrating by parts. So we use here the integration of by parts integration. This first function, integration of this e minus st equal to e minus st over minus s under the limit from 0 to k, and again derivative of t is 1 and this same term e minus st over minus s written over here dt, and integral of this term e minus st equal to e minus st divided by minus s under the limit k to infinity. Now we here this can written as minus 1 by ks t over est 0 to k, and this is plus 1 by ks e minus st over minus s 0 to k minus 1 by s 1 by st k to infinity. So applying the limit over here, in place of t we put k, here we put k, and in place of 0 here we put 0, and again applying the limit over here, in place of k we put, in place of t we put k. So this become e minus s into k, and in place of this we put t 0. So this become minus 1 by s. Again applying the limit over here, in place of t we use infinity, this become e to the infinity minus 1 by e to the s into k, because this is the limit k, in place of t we put k, and this term is written as minus 1 over k s into s square, and this is 1 over st between the limit from 0 to k. So in next step we apply the limit here, in place of t we put k minus, in place of t we put 0, and then simplification gives us the z. This is equal to minus 1 by s into e to the sk minus 1 by k s square e sk plus 1 by k s square plus 1 by s into e sk equal to 1 by s square plus k minus 1 by s square k e to the sk. Now question 7, find the Laplace transformation of the function f of t which is equal to t square minus 3 whole square. Now Laplace of f of t equal to t square minus 3 whole square, we expand the square over this term, taking separate the Laplace of each term, Laplace of t4 minus 6 Laplace of t square 9 into Laplace of 1. So using this formula, Laplace of Tn equal to n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. This can be written as, in place of t we put 4. This become when Laplace of t4 equal to 4 factorial divided by s to the power 4 plus 1 written over here, and in this case Laplace of t square we put in place of t at 2. This is Laplace of t square equal to 2 factorial divided by s to the power 2 plus 1, this is written over here, and Laplace of 1 equal to 1 by s So again, by simplifying this whole term, we get this answer. This is the Laplace of t square minus 3 whole square. This is the answer of this question. Now question number 8, if f of t equal to cos 2 pi t, find the Laplace of f of t. So in place of f of t, we put cos out 2 pi t. This become, by using the formula of Laplace of cos omega t, this is equal to s over. Question 8, f of t equal to cos 2 pi t, Laplace of f of t equal to, in place of f of t, we put cos of 2 pi t, and again by using the formula of cos a t, that is equal to, this become Laplace of cos 2 pi t equal to s over s square plus 2 pi square. This is equal to s over s square plus 4 pi square. This is the value of the Laplace of 2 pi cos of Laplace of cos of 2 pi t. Question number 9, if f of t equal to sin square 4t, find Laplace of f of t. So in place of f of t, we put sin square 4t, and by using the formula sin square theta, the 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, this become Laplace of 1 minus at divided by 2, separating the Laplace. This is 1 by 2 Laplace of 1 minus 1 by 2 Laplace of cos at. Now we use this formula, Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 by s, and Laplace of cos at equal to s over s square plus a square. So in place of Laplace of 1, we write 1 by s, and in place of Laplace of cos at, we put s over s square plus 8 square, and this become 1 by 2 s minus s over 2 into s square plus 64, and this is the answer of this question. Now question number 10, if f of t equal to e to t cos hyperbolic t, find the Laplace of f of t. So in place of f of t, we put cos 2t into cos hyperbolic t, and we are using this formula. When this is Laplace of EAT, f of t equal to f of s minus a, and in place of cos hyperbolic at, s over s square minus a square. So in this question, so in this part of EAT, our value of small a is 2. So when we use s, we put s minus 2. That is with s minus 2. And when we use this function cos hyperbolic t, the coefficient of t is small a. Here coefficient of t is 1. So in place of a, we put 1. In this case, we put a 1. In this case, a is 2. So we write s minus 2. So this becomes s minus 2 over s minus 2 square minus 1 square. We are using this formula. Our a is 1. The coefficient of t is 1. So we put here. In place of s, we write s minus 2. And in place of a, we put 1. So this is the value of Laplace of e to t cos hyperbolic t s minus 2 over s minus 2 square minus 1 square. And this is the answer. Now question 11, find the Laplace of f of t when the f of t equal to cos omega t plus theta. In place of f of t, we put cos omega t plus theta. And expanding by using the formula sin alpha plus beta. And this is Laplace of cos omega t into cos theta minus sin omega t into sin theta. These two terms are constant terms. We take these two terms outside the function of Laplace. So this become cos theta Laplace of cos omega t minus sin theta into Laplace of sin omega t. This is equal to cos theta Laplace of cos omega t minus sin theta Laplace sin omega t. By using these two formulas, you see this is cos theta s over s square plus omega square minus sin theta omega over s square plus omega square. And for simplification, this is the answer of this question. Now question 12, find Laplace of f of t when f of t equal to sin 3t minus 1 by 2. So we expand this term sin 3t cos 1 by 2 minus cos 3t sin 1 by 2 by expanding the formula sin alpha minus beta. So these two terms are constant terms. They are taken outside the Laplace transformation. Laplace of sin t equal to 3 over s square plus 3 square minus sin 1 by 2 s over s square plus 3 square, and this term becomes 3 cos 1 by 2 and minus s sin 1 by 2 over s square plus 9. This is the answer of this question.